Hi, welcome back to the HomeTechGuide YouTube channel. Today we will learn about the steps that we should follow while using a semi-automatic washing machine. In other words, you can say that we will learn how to use a semi-automatic washing machine. As we know that semi-automatic washing machines need manual assistance to complete the different tasks in the washing process, it is important to understand the control mechanism first. If we understand the control mechanism, we will be able to provide the right instructions at the right time to our semi-automatic washing machine. So the control mechanism includes giving instructions to the washing machines through the knobs on the control panel. The control panel typically consists of 5 knobs. The first one is water selector. The second one is for assigning a wash time to the wash cycle. The third one is wash selector. Fourth is drain selector, and the fifth knob is for assigning a spinning time to the washing machine. Before we move ahead, let's note two things. Semi-automatic washing machines comes with 3 cycles: gentle wash cycle, strong wash cycle, and normal wash cycle. You can choose a wash cycle based on your analysis of the clothes fabric type or the dirt extent on your clothes. Number 2. Spinning doesn't dry the clothes completely, but it removes water from your clothes to a great extent. Now let's go through the detailed process step by step. The first step that you must check is the installation of the washing machine. Ensure that your washing machine rests on a uniform surface, it is stable and does not vibrate when in motion. As the second step, connect your washing machine to an electrical source and make sure that the wire cord is not in tension. It should be like hanging a little free. The third step is to unfold the drain pipe. This is basically a good practice, though you can unfold it when it is required. I mean, when you are about to drain the water from the wash tub, but as a good practice, we recommend that you keep the drain pipe at the location you want to keep it in the beginning only. As the fourth step, load the clothes into the washing machine. The fifth step is to fill wash tub with water. Fill it to a level just above the clothes. There are markings around the lint filter as L for low, M for medium, and H for high level. The sixth step is to add detergent. Add the required amount of detergent considering your clothes dirt level. The seventh step is to choose a wash cycle, again based on your analysis of the clothes fabric or dirt level. The eighth step is to assign a wash time. Set an appropriate wash time for the wash cycle based on your analysis of the dirt level and the dirt extent on your clothes. Start the cycle and let the washing machine do the work while you do some other work. Suppose you assigned a time of 40 minutes to your washing machine. You are free for that 40 minutes. Your washing machine will give a beep sound when the wash process is complete. As the ninth step, drain the dirty water from the wash tub. The 10th step is to transfer the clothes from wash tub to the spin tub. 11th step is to direct water into the spin tub for rinsing of the clothes and assign a spin time also. Set a spin time of 3 to 5 minutes for efficient drying. Your washing machine will rinse the clothes first, then dry them for the given time. Mind keeping the drain open during this entire process. After the spin is over, you're done with washing your laundry. Your clothes are now ready for line drying. As a good practice, clean the wash tub of your semi-automatic washing machines to preserve it and maintain it in the long run. So, in summary, semi-automatic washing machines offer versatility and simplicity. If you are new to them, follow the steps given and we will make the process easy. We hope that we were able to help you, and yes, do like this video if it helps you. Thank you so much once again. Have a great day.